Good morning, everybody. So in the afternoons, we have been talking about different types of habitats. We have talked about the rainforest. We have talked about the polar environment. Now we are going to look at the forest, and we briefly talked about that the other day. The forest environment is what we are surrounded by, right? So let's take a look at this book. It's called In the Forest. That's the title. Our author who wrote the story, her name is Shira Evans. What's in the forest? Many things in the forest are living. Tall trees started out as small seeds, growing and changing slowly over many years. The animals here are living too. They also grow and change. The ferns are living. So are the animals. Living things need food, water, and sun to grow. Look at these beautiful, beautiful pictures. Now, these were not painted or anything like that. They actually took pictures with their camera. Some things in the forest are non-living, like these rocks. They are not alive. The air isn't alive. The water isn't alive either. Non-living things don't eat, they don't drink, and they don't need air. Look at this picture. Say which things are living and non-living. What do you see that's living, that grows and breathes, requires water and sun? And then which things are not living? Changes in the forest. In the spring, the tree leaves are small. They're so small that they don't block the sunlight. The light pours onto the forest floor. The sunlight helps flowers start to grow, and the forest has new plants in the spring. I love springtime. Many animals are born in the spring. Their fur blends with the forest floor to help them stay safe. Remember that word adaptation? A way to help them be able to stay safe. In the spring, a deer is born. Its fur is brown. Its color helps hide other babies are brown too. The forest becomes green and full during the long summer days. The leaves block the sunlight from reaching the forest floor. Fruits, berries, and nuts begin to grow in the summer. They will soon be ready to eat. In the summer, animals eat the ripe fruits and berries that grow throughout the forest. The chatter of busy animals fill the air. The forest is warm in the summer. More fruits grow, and there is a lot of food to eat. In the fall, the days begin to shorten and they get chillier. There is less sunlight and the leaves start to lose their green color. Soon the leaves will drop, and in the fall, leaves cover the forest floor. Remember when we did our leaf project? Chipmunks and squirrels gather acorns in the fall. They hide those nuts under leaves or nest in the trees. Animals work hard in the fall. They save the nuts to eat later. Winter days are short and the sun is low in the sky. The animals slow down and the forest looks empty. The forest is quiet in the winter. It's cold and still. This is the season that we're in right now, isn't it? Many animals hibernate. Think about what hibernate means. That deep sleep. They hibernate in the winter. They slow down their heartbeats and sleep for a long time. In the winter, some animals stay warm in their dens. Others sleep in caves. So let's look at all these different seasons. Which one looks like spring? That's right here. Which one looks like summer? Which one looks like fall? And then, of course, winter. Now, how do we help the forest? A beaver hauls a heavy log into the water. Each log helps it build a bigger and bigger wall. The wall makes a dam. Beavers build dams to keep their homes safe. It's where they pile up the wood, the logs, to build a home and to keep their homes safe. A dam also stops the river water from flowing. When the water doesn't flow, it forms a pond. The water level rises. When the water level rises, more plants can grow, and the beaver's dam helps these new plants. So beavers can help our environment. A cardinal lands on a bush in the forest. The bush has bright red berries. The berries are food for the bird. Soon the bird flies away. It will land in a new part of the forest. Cardinals are just beautiful birds, aren't they? As the cardinal flies, it drops the seeds from the berries throughout the forest. The seeds scatter onto the forest floor. Wonder how that helps our environment of the forest. New bushes grow where the cardinal drops the seeds. The bird helps the forest grow by causing new plants to grow, new bushes. Plants help animals in the forest too. Some trees hang low over the streams and ponds. They shade the water from the hot sun. The fish in the stream need cool water, but the sun is hot and the trees shade the water. That helps the water stay cool. That's why if you are out on the lake or even a pond, you will see the fishermen's. You will see them near the shady areas in a lot of cases because that's where more fish are swimming at. Okay, fungi are not plants or animals, but they can help the forest too. Some fungi grow on trees and feed on things that have died. The fungi turns dead leaves and wood into soil. Plants use the new soil to grow. The fungi helps the forest. Animals and plants help the forest. Say, how can we help the forest? What are they doing in these pictures? Look, she's picking up trash. They're going on a hike. Oh, and planting new plants. Animals in the forest live in many places. Some animals make homes up high. Others live down low. A bird lives in a nest high up in a tree. A fox builds a den low on the ground. Although there are different types of plants and animals in the forest, they need one another to grow. Animals and plants need different things, but they all live together in the forest. They work together, don't they? We help the environment, they help us. All right, this is a map that shows where all kinds of different forests, really large forests, are in the world. All right, so enjoy working in Seesaw today, learning about a habitat, but I wanted to show you this story about the forest habitat because we can relate. It's right around us in our backyard. Have a great day.